Hello. I don't think we've met before. I'm Harper. What's your name?
Good morning. Welcome to Central Cafe. What can I get started for you today? Sorry to bother you, but I think I'm a bit lost. Do you know where the main train station is?
Fantastic. It looks perfect. Where are the changing rooms? I'd like to try it on.
I have a really bad headache and a sore throat.
I am sorry to hear that. Just some bread, please.
You got it. And what would you like to drink?
Your total for everything is $22.50.
Hello. I don't think we've met before. I'm Harper. What's your name?
Hi, Harper. I'm Sarah. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Are you from around here?
No, actually, I'm originally from Spain, but I moved here last month. How about you?
Oh, welcome. I'm from Canada, but I've been living in this city for about 3 years now.
That's great. How do you like living here so far?
I love it. The people are really friendly, though the winter can get a bit cold.
Good morning. Welcome to Central Cafe. What can I get started for you today?
Hi there. Can I get a large hot coffee, please?
Sure thing. What kind of milk would you prefer? We have whole milk, oat milk, and almond milk.
Oat milk, please. And could you make it vanilla flavored?
You got it. 1 large vanilla oat milk coffee. Would you like anything to eat with that, like a pastry or a sandwich?
That blueberry muffin looks delicious. I'll take one of those too, please.
Perfect. Your total comes to $8.75. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Card, please. I'll just tap it right here. Thank you.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you, but I think I'm a bit lost. Do you know where the main train station is?
Oh, don't worry. It's actually quite close from here. Walk straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks. And then what?
When you hit the big intersection, turn left. You'll see a large supermarket on the corner.
Ah, I know that supermarket. Is the station next to it?
Exactly. It's right across the street from the supermarket. You can't miss it. It has a big blue sign.
That sounds simple enough. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Have a safe trip.
Hi there. Welcome to Trendy Threads. Let me know if you are looking for anything in particular.
Hi, thank you. Actually, I really like this green jacket on display. Do you happen to have it in a medium?
Let me check the rack for you. It looks like we only have small and large out here. Let me check the back storeroom real quick.
Oh, thank you so much for checking.
You're in luck. I found 1 medium left in the back. Here you go.
Fantastic. It looks perfect. Where are the changing rooms? I'd like to try it on.
They are just over there, right next to the shoe section in the back. Let me know if you need a different size. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hello, good afternoon. I have a reservation for a room under the last name Lopez.
Excellent. Let me look that up in our system. Ah, yes, here it is. Mr. Lopez, a deluxe double room for 3 nights, checking out on Friday morning. Is that correct?
Yes, that is exactly right.
Great. I just need to see your ID and a credit card for incidental charges, please.
Sure. Here is my passport and my credit card. By the way, is breakfast included in the stay?
Yes, a complimentary breakfast buffet is served in the main dining room on the 1st floor from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here is your room key. You are in room 405 on the 4th floor. Enjoy your stay.
Hey, Lisa. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Hi. No, I don't have any plans yet. I am free. What's up?
Well, would you like to watch a movie on Saturday? There is a new comedy playing.
Oh, I love comedy movies. That sounds like fun. What time should we meet?
How about 6 p.m.? We can meet at the mall, right outside the cinema.
Perfect. 6 p.m. is good for me. Do you want to eat dinner after the movie?
Yes, that is a great idea. Let's eat pizza.
Excellent. See you on Saturday then.
Good morning. Please take a seat. What seems to be the problem today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a really bad headache and a sore throat.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you also have a cough or a fever?
Yes. I have a mild fever. It started yesterday afternoon. My body feels very tired too.
Okay, let me check your temperature and look at your throat. Yes, your throat is red. You have a cold.
Is it dangerous? Do I need strong medicine?
No, it is not dangerous. You just need to rest at home, drink a lot of water, and take this medicine twice a day after meals.
Thank you, doctor. I will do that.
Hello, welcome to Green Garden Restaurant. Are you ready to order now?
Hi, yes, I am ready. For the main dish, I'll have the chicken salad, please.
Excellent choice. The chicken salad is very popular. Would you like soup or bread with that?
Just some bread, please.
You got it. And what would you like to drink?
Can I get a glass of water with ice, please? Oh, and a glass of apple juice, too.
Sure. 1 water with ice and 1 apple juice. Anything else for now?
No, that is all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready in 10 minutes.
So, what do you like to do in your free time when you are not working?
I really enjoy cooking new recipes, and I love listening to pop music. It helps me relax. How about you?
I prefer outdoor activities. I go running in the park every morning before breakfast.
Wow, that sounds healthy. I want to exercise more, but I am often too lazy.
You can come with me next Saturday if you want. Walking is a great way to start.
Really? That is very nice of you. Yes, I would love to join you next Saturday.
Great. Let's meet at the park entrance at 8 a.m.
Excuse me, John. Are you busy right now? Could you please help me with something?
Hi. No, I am not busy. I just finished my work. What's wrong?
I am trying to use this printer, but it is not working. The screen says paper jam.
Ah, a paper jam means a piece of paper is stuck inside the machine. Let me see.
Oh, I see. I don't know how to open it. I don't want to break it.
Don't worry, it is easy. Look, we just open this front tray here. Ah, yes. Look right here. The paper is bent. Let me pull it out gently.
Wow, you fixed it. The green light is on now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
You are very welcome. Let me know if you need help again.
Next, please. Hello. Welcome to City Transit. How can I help you today?
Hello. I need a one-way train ticket to London, please.
Sure. Are you traveling today, or do you want a ticket for tomorrow?
I want to travel today, please. What is the next available train?
The next train leaves at 2:30 p.m. from Platform 4. It takes about 2 hours.
That is perfect. How much does the ticket cost?
That will be £35, please. You can pay with cash or card.
Here is my card. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Here is your ticket and your receipt. Have a great trip.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Hi. Yes, I found almost everything, but I could not find the eggs.
Oh, the eggs are in aisle 4, right next to the milk and butter.
Ah, I missed that aisle. Can I quickly go and grab a carton of eggs now?
Yes, of course. Go ahead. I will wait here and scan your other items first.
Thank you so much for waiting. Here are the eggs.
No problem at all. Your total for everything is $22.50.
Here is a $30 bill.
Thank you. Here is your change, $7.50, and your receipt. Have a nice day.
Wow, it is really hot outside today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I think the temperature is going to be 30 degrees this afternoon.
Wow, that is very hot for this time of year. I am wearing a t-shirt and I am still warm.
Me too. I am drinking a lot of cold water today to stay cool.
Do you know if it will be hot tomorrow too?
I checked the weather forecast this morning. It says it will rain tomorrow.
Oh, really? I hope it rains to cool the air down.
Me too. A little rain will be nice after this heat.
Hello, my name is Mark Smith. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Hello, Mr. Smith. Let me look at our schedule. Yes, I see your appointment. How can I help you?
I am very sorry, but I have to work tomorrow, so I need to cancel or change it.
That is no problem at all. Would you like to reschedule it for later this week?
Yes, please. Do you have any openings on Friday?
Let me check. Yes, we have a free time slot at 2 p.m. on Friday. Does that work for you?
Yes, 2 p.m. on Friday works perfectly for me. Thank you so much.
Great. I updated your appointment. See you on Friday at 2 p.m.
Well, look at the time. It is getting late. I should probably start heading home.
Oh, you're right. Time flew by. Thank you so much for coming over to visit today.
Thank you for having me. I had a wonderful time talking with you.
Me too. The food was great and the conversation was lovely. Let's hang out again soon.
Definitely. Let's plan something for next week.
Sounds like a plan. Drive safely and please text me when you arrive home.
I will do that. Take care and goodbye.
Bye. Have a good night.
Excuse me, how much is this beautiful blue notebook?
Hello. That notebook is $5. It is on sale today.
Oh, that is a very good price. I want to buy it as a birthday gift for my sister.
That is a great gift. Would you like me to wrap it in gift paper for you?
Yes, please. That would be very nice. How much extra is the gift wrap?
It is completely free today.
Wow, thank you so much. Here is a $10 bill.
Thank you. Here is your change, $5, and your gift. Have a wonderful day.
Do you have a big family, Maria?
No, my family is quite small. I live with my parents and I have one younger brother. How about you?
I have a big family. I have 2 older sisters and 1 younger brother.
Wow, 4 children in total. That sounds very loud and fun. How old is your brother?
He is 10 years old. He loves playing video games and soccer.
My brother loves video games too. Maybe they can play together sometime.
That is a great idea. Let's plan a day for them to meet. Excuse me, I am looking for a book about English grammar. Can you help me?
Of course. All of our language books are in the back corner near the big window.
Okay, I see the windows. Are they on the first floor or the second floor?
They are on the first floor in aisle 3.
Great. Can I borrow the book and take it home today?
Yes, if you have a library card. You can keep it for 2 weeks.
Yes, I have my card right here. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Let me know if you cannot find it.
Hi, Anna. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, Thomas. I'm doing well, thank you. Just watering my plants. How are you?
I am great. I am having a small backyard barbecue party this Sunday. Would you like to come?
Oh, that sounds lovely. What time does the party start?
It starts at 2 p.m. My family and a few neighbors are coming.
I would love to join. Should I bring some food or drinks?
Just bring yourself. We will have plenty of hot dogs, burgers, and cold drinks.
Perfect. Thank you for the invitation, Thomas. See you on Sunday.
Hello. I was here an hour ago, and I think I left my jacket on the chair.
Hello, let me check our lost and found box. What color is your jacket?
It is a bright yellow jacket with a black zipper. It has a phone charger in the pocket.
Ah, yes. Someone found it on the corner table and gave it to me. Is this it?
Yes, that is exactly it. Oh, I am so happy.
I am glad we found it for you. Please check the pocket to make sure your charger is still there.
Yes, it is here. Thank you so much for keeping it safe.
You're very welcome. Have a great afternoon.